All right, we are at the GoPowerSports Ranch, home of the GPS 180. We are finally hooking up Andrew with his race bike. We're gonna get it unloaded and finally reveal it to him. So this started as our Megamoto 212 frame. We built it out as the Megalodon, which is the electric start version of that bike. From there, we tore it completely apart and turned it into the ultimate GPS 180 race bike. It is full suspension. It's got our premium front end on it, a really hopped up 225 race engine. And this thing raced in the GPS 180 and it did awesome. It got 6th place, 0 issues, 0 breakdowns. It just ripped. So let's call Andrew Porter and get him over here. Hey, what's up, Andrew? Your bike is finally ready for pickup. When can you get here?
I'm here. What's up, Taylor? What you
What's
got
up,
for
dude?
me? How's it going?
Good to see you again.
Good to see you.
Sorry you didn't make it to the 180.
Yeah, it's all right. Hey, at least it got tested. That's the main thing.
Yeah, we still raced your bike. I already told you it got 6th place. It did incredible.
Sweet.
So I hope it'll hold up to your kind of riding.
I hope so.
We'll see.
Looks like with that premium front suspension, that's perfect.
Yeah. So now, you know, it's even better than it was.
And I've never even ridden a bike with that premium front suspension before, so I'm excited to try that out.
You're gonna like it. You're gonna like it. So when we talked on the phone, you wanted a ton of fuel capacity.
Yeah.
We talked about doing the dual tank. It worked out awesome.
Perfect.
I was pretty shocked. I think it could have went the whole race. We put some in with, I think, 2 laps to go, just to make sure, because we didn't see any fuel in here, so we knew this one was empty.
Okay. That's perfect. That's exactly what I need right there.
You're looking at roughly 2 gallons.
Okay.
The swing arm did fantastic. The shocks were great. This is that new RLV 420 chain.
Oh, sweet.
And it's the gold on natural, I think they call it.
Okay.
Super high tensile strength, the highest one I've found. We got these new adapters.
Okay.
And they actually are a bearing receiver too. So now your bearing spread is almost as wide as a stock wheel. It's got the 15 mil axle, but it's still got the 12 mil in the rear.
Okay.
And it didn't bend nothing. It did fantastic.
Perfect.
So this was one of our new Megamoto frames, but now it comes braced up almost exactly how we did yours. It's got extra tubes.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Down under there. Obviously the powder coat turned out really sweet.
Yes, it's beautiful.
It turned out really good. Big brakes, big front disc, big rear disc. The stopping power on this thing is really good.
That's always a necessity.
You wanted the 225, so we did a pretty hot 225. It's got the 285 cam. It's got
I love that
shred head that we ported. But this is something you can cruise the neighborhood on. I want to see you rip it around a flat track. With this ground clearance, man, you can lean it over.
Which is what I had to do with my last one.
Yeah.
I had to angle them up so I had more ground clearance on turning.
Yeah, this one you can drag a knee and you won't catch a peg. Curved intake, carburetor's fully tucked in. Oh, the new super pipe.
Yeah.
Yours is the first bike to get our new Megamoto 212 super pipe on it. It's kind of like the MB200 super pipe, but we wanted to keep it completely tucked inside the frame.
Inside the frame instead of outside.
So, you finally ready to rip this thing?
Yeah. Yeah, I am.
It's been a long time coming. So we got the 180 again this year, obviously. Are you going to make it?
Yeah.
Okay. And you are going to ride the full suspension?
Yeah. I mean, obviously doing it every year except last year since my daughter had some health issues and couldn't come down. It'll be interesting to see how big of a difference it makes.
I can't wait to see how fast you are. Because you've been fast as heck
If I
on
can,
a hardtail.
If I can't be fast as heck, I'm going to be very disappointed.
I think you will be. You're going to get better traction on every single corner. And you're going to be able to take all the hard stuff even faster now.
Oh, yeah.
ready to rip it?
Yeah.
Just get your helmet, get suited up, and we'll let it rip.
All right.
What do you think, dude?
Runs like a dream.
You like it?
Love it. You got power anywhere you want it. Top, bottom, mid, anywhere.
I've yet to top it out. I don't know what the top speed is. Probably 60 something.
Probably.
It'll get up there and run. All right, so I'm glad you like it. I know you're going to use the heck out of it. That's why we built it for you. I know you're going to take it all over the country, promote it. Where all do you see yourself racing this bike?
GPS 180. Yeah. And then I need to talk to you guys. I'm going to do the Billwell 100 out in California, a desert race next April. I want to take this thing one lap, 25 miles straight, no stopping, no pits, straight 25 miles in the desert.
If you go to that, we will definitely come pit with you.
Yep.
That will be a blast. I've been wanting to make it to that one.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's it, fellas. Hopefully you enjoyed this whole series. This started out as a Megalodon how-to video. Then we transformed it into the ultimate GPS 180 race bike. Thank you so much for driving down.
Thank you.
It's always a blessing to see you. And congratulations on the new daughter.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
This year, in November, Andrew Porter is going to be here ripping on this ultimate race machine. We'll see you later.